So what will be part of your MVP,
Right.
and how will you measure the success of your MVP?
So I'm looking at two entities here. One is my cab or the car that is built. Assumption is that is built, and from the application side of things, different use cases. The different use cases basically, one is the use case is the same, basically different screens what I'm targeting, current location and destination, and then based on that cost, then wait time for the cab to come, and user feedback, then we can take it either offline or in via email. We don't really have to have that in the application for the MVP.
Is it solving all your pain points, this MVP?
Yes, so I had two problems, time wastage and hassle. So time wastage is definitely getting solved. The travel time is getting reduced, but the hassle part is also getting solved. So this hassle was, I was referring to the physical issues which I face at the airport, let's say with the luggage and stuff like that. And since this is, I'm assuming, is a business trip. Yes, one more factor we need to add is a business trip. Since it is only for one or two people, it's a business trip. Not looking at leisure trips right now, because with leisure trips, the assumption is it will be longer and they'll also have luggage. I'm not sure if
Hmm.
this car has the option of carrying luggage as well.
It's so mentioned 300 kilos, right, including the
Okay.
pilot.
Right. So catering this for leisure trips would be difficult because luggage would become a constraint then, and if you have two people, so typically this can be used with one person and luggage or two humans. So I'm not thinking of this either for a leisure use case, mostly for a business trip. So this is actually solving my time wasted and hassle problem. Okay, in the MVP, okay. Now even taking a step back, in the MVP we can just have it via the phone as well. We can have a concierge service where my customer can just call up and say this is my requirements, and we can send it out. Because this is not a very high volume thing, so I'm assuming we won't be deluged with calls.
Go
Once it
on.
starts to grow, once I see volume coming in, then probably we might have to use a more scalable solution.
Okay, let's focus on that. Why do you think phone booking is more better than the having an app at this point?
Right. So,
Or what are the
ev-
advantages and disadvantages rather?
right.
Before
If I talk
going
about
into the
pros,
metric question, yeah.
so we have two things: phone booking versus application. So if I look at the pros and cons of phone booking, then pros, it will be lesser effort. When I say effort, it means development effort, or somebody has to design the application, then somebody has to build that application. I mean, the technology part of it, and then you, from a point of view, also you have to download the application, probably do a user sign up. So those are frictions which I'm adding to my user journey as well as to my development side of things, to my time to market. So
Hmm.
effort high, so time to market is higher. So in pros, lesser effort, and then lesser effort on development side, and then like I already mentioned, lesser effort on the user side as well, low friction.
What about specifying source, destination, and on the user side? Do you think it is easier on the phone? You
That
mentioned having lesser effort on the user, right?
that is what I was coming to. So from a cons point of view, exact locations become difficult. So GPS gives me an exact point on the map or on the globe, but when you're talking on the phone, that becomes a challenge. So then you'll have to basically talk with the nearest landmark to give that as a reference, or probably. So I'm not really sure if these people are so rich. Probably we can already have a database of all these people. We know who our customer is going to be. So the first time they call, we can record their details as to home and their office, and going forward, we can use the same ones.
Yeah, for first time users, it's a problem, right? Not for repeat users.
So location mapping will definitely be a concern.